Hey everyone, I wanted to share something truly life-changing with you all. A while ago, I stumbled upon the ultimate off-grid generator guide, and I have to say, it's been an incredible journey ever since. You know, before I started implementing this knowledge, my energy bills were through the roof. It felt like I was constantly at the mercy of rising costs, and it was really taking a toll on my finances. But then, I discovered the ultimate off-grid generator. Let me tell you, it's like a breath of fresh air. By building my own off-grid power generator, I've cut my energy bills by a whopping 40% in just a few months. The best part is, I'm not only saving money, but I'm also doing my part for the environment. It feels incredible to be generating clean, green energy right in my own backyard. And you know what? The step-by-step instructions in the guide were so easy to follow. Even though I'm no electrical expert, I managed to build the generator with confidence. The freedom of being off-grid is truly liberating. No more worrying about power outages or unexpected energy price hikes. I feel in control of my energy future, and it's empowering. So, if you're like me, looking to save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and take charge of your energy destiny, I can't recommend the ultimate off-grid generator enough. Trust me, this guide has changed my life, and I know it can do the same for you. Take that first step towards energy independence and embrace the power of the ultimate off-grid generator. Thank you for listening to my journey. I hope my experience resonates with you and helps you make an informed decision. Remember, this knowledge is a game changer, and I wish you all the best on your energy-saving journey.